So here's wishing every wonderful woman out there a very, very happy Women's Day. We celebrate Women's Day very, very enthusiastically at PMR every year. I love my girls. I just love them to the core, and I think women can just go out there and do anything. And we especially are in an industry that's, they say it's male dominated, but I think a woman's heart is her house and she knows the best. Hence, it is where we belong, and we genuinely believe that we belong here. So, what we did this time, we got together all our men and asked them what it means to them, and had some fun with some questions about the whole women empowerment ideas and what do they think about their colleagues. And we had a lot of fun. You want to see what we did? Here's a look.
Women are the important part in every man's life. I'm very lucky that I have a wife with the name of Archana Bhargav. She saw me that I'm struggling with my different branches in the country. So she decided to come and help me in the office, and she started looking into the finance. Incidentally, she never had a finance background. She the MSc MPhil. But looking at my situation, she started looking into accounts, and today she's expert in accounts. About 14 years back, we decided that the time has come when we should bring in our daughter, Kansha Bhargav, to the business. And in few years, she was so capable that she was made CEO of the company. I wish all the best on the Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all the girls and ladies in my life whom I know personally and even from far, far away from me. And if I get a chance to buy some sweets or something in a budget of 100 for my love Parul, I would buy a pack of toffees, and I think she'll be too happy for that. Cheers.
The movie character by which I relate Miss Anshika ma'am is Carol Danvers, a Marvel superhero. Like Carol Danvers, she is extremely strong and self-confident. With 8 years of experience, she is totally dedicated towards the customer satisfaction in both terms of international and domestic movie. So I wish her a happy Women's Day and to all the women in the world.
हैप्पी वुमेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। यहाँ मेरी रोल मॉडल हैं आकांक्षा मैम, मिस आकांक्षा मैम। बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग हैं, गुड पर्सनैलिटी हैं और बहुत ही ब्रेव है मैम, बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग हैं और सभी काम के लिए मोस्टली कैपेबल हैं।
I think Priyanka Rana, she is very much dedicated towards her work. She is quite ambitious, and every challenge is an opportunity to her. She keeps on pushing her limits to get the work done in the best manner. So over and all, she is a believer, doer, and achiever. And I wish her a very happy Women's Day.
My favorite person in office is obviously Priyanka Sharma, reporting manager slash sister slash friend slash hamdard, and what she taught me is that it doesn't matter how many times life puts you down, it only matters that if you want to get up or not. So she is my favorite person and she will always remain my favorite person in office.
Women are always inspiration, a source of inspiration for the family and society. So, to the all women, sign on, not just today, but every day. Happy Women's Day.
महिला दिवस है और महिला दिवस का महिला शक्ति है तो ऐसी शक्ति है कि इसके बगैर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते। और इस देश में महिला को वैसे बाबा साहब ने भी एक ऐसी अपने संविधान में लिख गए हैं अपनी कलम से कि उनको बहुत प्राथमिकता दी गई है। जैसे मैं वापस आता हूँ PMR में महिला शक्ति के बगैर, जैसे राजीव सर ने एक अच्छी सोच के साथ ये कंपनी चलाई थी, उनके साथ अर्चना मैडम की शक्ति उनके साथ रही तो आज उस शक्ति के साथ लोग यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। अर्चना मैडम की शक्ति राजीव सर को जो मिली वो यहाँ तक हम पहुँचे। मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि आज महिला दिवस पर हर भारतीय को, हर नारी का सम्मान करना चाहिए और हम यही कहना चाहेंगे कि हम आने वाले सभी समय में हर भारतीय नारी का हम सम्मान करें।
My team leader or mentor, Subi Shukla, inspires me to be like her. I'm not a feminist, but she really makes me want to be like one. And I want to wish her happy Women's Day. Stay strong, stay healthy.
Hi everyone, today I would like to share my thoughts on the qualities of female that impacted me a lot. First of all, I would like to share my thoughts on my manager, Miss Sunita. She is very hardworking in her work. Then about Sheetal, she is a happy-go-lucky girl who is always cheerful in nature. Then Bhavna, she is dedicated towards her work. And Indu, she is very innocent and do her work very decently. And Kafil, she is a lot of passionate about her work and she loves her work. And thank you so much. Happy Women's Day.
कि जितने भी वुमेन्स हैं मैं उनको यही कहना चाहूँगा कि वो अपने आप को कभी भी कम न समझे. वो किसी मैन से कम नहीं है. मैं मैंस को भी ये बोलूँगा कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हमेशा वुमेन का सपोर्ट करें, उनको जितना सपोर्ट हो सके उनको मोटिवेट करें, सो दैट वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत अच्छा सा ग्रो कर सके.
I would like to wish a very happy International Women's Day to each and all. And with respect to working with girls and women, there are two girls who are working under me for past 4 years, and their dedication and hard work, passion is highly commendable, and I appreciate them a lot. Thank you so much.
I have two female teammates in our team, Preeti and Anshika. If I have to describe them, they are very brave, bright and capable. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.
राज वर्मा है, मेरे ऑफिस में कलीग प्रियंका प्रसाद हमारे बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. जितनी भी इंश्योरेंस होती है ऑफिस की हमारी जॉब की, वो इमीडिएटली करवा देती हैं और इमीडिएटली रिवर्ट करती हैं. हैप्पी वुमेन्स.
Nobody is perfect in this world, so I did one mark, and I will not be specific to one female colleague. My all female colleagues are working in a men's dominated industry, and they are doing perfectly well, and they are really doing a good job. So happy Women's Day.
Dedicated to lance to my female colleagues, Ms. Priyanka Rana, on today Women's Special Day. पिघला दे जंजीरें बना उनकी शमशीरें, कर में हर मैदान फतेह हो बंदिया, कर हर मैदान फतेह. I wish to all my female colleagues at PMR Happy Women's Day.
तो आज की हमारी जो लड़कियां हैं, औरतें हैं, हमारी माँ बहनें, कोई किसी से कम नहीं है. वे हमारा नाम रोशन करेंगे. वो सबसे बढ़िया. अगर हमारे देश की औरतें बढ़ेगी तो हमारा देश आगे बढ़ेगा, और हमारा देश आगे बढ़ेगा तो पूरे संसार में नाम होगा हमारे देश का. तो मैं ज़्यादा आगे बात बढ़ाते हुए पूरे देश की बेटियों, औरतें, माँओं, बहनें और पूरे इंटरनेशनल जितने भी हमारी औरतें हैं उन सबको इंटरनेशनल डे पे, वुमेन इंटरनेशनल डे पे हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. और साथ में हमारे PMR की जितने भी वुमेन्स पावर है उनको वुमेन्स डे की बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
PMR Happy Women's Day. I would like to say my team member Ms. Priyanka Rana, if she is one day Prime Minister of India, so I would like to I will request her to make 3 things for Indian people. One is free electricity, second one is free water, and third is good environment for all Indian people. She would do, if she do these 3 things, so we will be very happy.
I would have 100 rupees, then I'll purchase bunch of flowers, chocolates and lots of happiness. Happy Women's Day.
Office is Parul Chaudhary. She is very supportive to me, and I know her from last 5 years. I want to say her Happy Women's Day. Thank you.